Alright guys, so today's video is going to be about the table cut, which looks just like this. It's going to be a very simple move. There are a couple retains you can do with this, but I'll post those later. Probably just going to make a short tutorial on how to do this. So, first of all, you're going to want to hold the deck at ends from both hands. So basically, with these two fingers, your middle finger and your third finger on this side, and on the bottom, you're just going to have your thumb. Basically, these two fingers and just your thumb. And to take off cards, you're basically just going to go on your left hand, lift off cards from the top, like this, and then place them. And then just keep doing that until you have no more cards left. Just one more time, just hold the cards like this. And the other two fingers just aren't really doing anything. So yeah, just a classic cut, very simple and elegant, and that's going to be the end of this tutorial. So if you enjoyed this, just be on the lookout for future videos and keep on learning card magic. See ya.